Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Friday. TGIF. Oh, thank God it is Friday. It's been a long week. A lot going on behind the scenes here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So, yeah, it's Friday again. Last night, I prepared what I called the mystery frittata. I actually knew what was going to be in it, mostly, up until the point where I actually prepped it. Of course, it was eggs, cream, feta cheese, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, mushrooms, asparagus tips, gray squash, half of an onion, which was half sliced, garlic, gotta have garlic, red bell pepper, sliced, 2 jalapenos, sliced, some herbs, some spices, and good old kosher salt and black pepper. All veggie, every bit of it, except for the eggs. So, it was good. It was really good. I skipped using a pan for the frittata, and I actually did bake it in a baking dish. Just a little change. Tonight, it's Culinary Expedition. We're in Nauru. And the only reason why I know about this country is because it was in an episode of Madam Secretary. It's the only reason I know about Nauru. I know it's a little island nation. That's it. I'll be fixing or preparing coconut fish. It's a real simple dish. This is a traditional dish on Nauru. So, yeah, it's simple, but it should be yummy. Obviously, with the name coconut fish, it's coconut milk is one of the main ingredients. And I'll be serving that along white rice. I'll be using long grain white. So, the weather's supposed to be beautiful through the weekend. Wind's going to get a little gusty on Saturday and Sunday. And it's supposed to be nice throughout the next week. Temps going to be closer to normal. Okay, enough Al Roker. I get my weather reports from Mr. Bob Harlan. So, yeah, and he gets it. I'm not sure where he gets his reports from, but they're usually pretty accurate. Okay, so on this Friday, I'm tired. I got some sleep last night, too. Yeah, I'm still playing catch up from those couple months I didn't get any sleep. So, on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.